Welcome to Online Tools Master, where we explore the simplest and most powerful online tools. Today, we're diving into the Random Hex Generator, a quick and free tool that lets you generate random hexadecimal numbers instantly. Let's jump right in. Open your browser and head to www.onlinetools.com/hex to find this tool. A hexadecimal number uses digits 0 to 9 and letters AF, making it a common format in computing and color codes. With this tool, you can create random hex values in just a click. Simply specify the number of digits and how long you want each hex value to be. Let's see the tool in action. Generate random hex values. Here we generate 10 different hexadecimal numbers, each with 16 nibbles, or 16 hex digits. Generate random single-digit hex numbers. This example creates 10 random hex values, each containing just one hex digit. Generate a 16 by 16 hex grid. In this example, we generate a grid of hex numbers, with 16 rows and 16 columns, where each row represents a complete hex value. If you love working with hex, check out our previous videos. Generate a random matrix. Learn how to generate structured random values. Convert hex to image. See how hex values can be visualized as an image. Want to explore more cool tools? Hit like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest tutorials. See you in the next one.